Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panter. Today we're going to check out how to create this Arabic style patterns in Illustrator. So you might think it's a little really complex, but the reality is it's really simple. So I gotta go to the stroke, click on the stroke, select the color. I'm gonna go with black. Select the circle, the ellipse tool, press and hold Shift plus Alt, create a circle. I'm gonna increase the stroke thickness somewhere around 10. Press and hold Alt, drag it down, also press Shift to isolate. Select both. Press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or you can go to Edit and paste in front. This way it's gonna create another copy on front. Press and hold Shift, rotate it. And here we have the pattern going on. So you're gonna need to select all of it. Press and hold Shift plus M. Or you can go and select the Shape Builder tool. Press and hold Alt, and we're gonna delete these elements right here, so we are remain with this shape. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold Alt, drag it down until they intersect right in this point. Press and hold Shift, rotate it 180 degrees. Okay, and from here I'm gonna create another copy. Press and hold Alt, drag it, press and hold Shift, rotate it, and we're gonna fit this right here. Okay, now let's select the reflect tool. Press and hold Alt and click here on the intersection point. Click and go click on vertical, click on copy. So this is what we need basically for the pattern. Select all of it, right click and group. I'm gonna scale it down a little. I'm gonna go to the object, go to the pattern and click on the make. And we're gonna go to the tile type and go to the grid and select the brick by row. As you can see, it's basically shifted a little. And what I'm gonna do is go to the height, decrease the height until they are going to match in the center. Look in this zone here. I think we're good at 136 in my case, of course. Click on done up here. See this? Click on done. I'm gonna delete this and I'm gonna select the rectangle tool and I'm gonna create a rectangle. I'm gonna swap it from stroke to fill. So now we're on the fill, and as you can see here in the swatches, here is gonna appear all the patterns. So click on the pattern that you created. From here I'm gonna go to object, transform, scale. I'm gonna uncheck the transform object and scale it down. Click OK. And this is how you make this interesting pattern in Illustrator. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos and have a good one. Bye bye.